Hey DIY enthusiasts, today we're diving into 8 budget-friendly ways to add stunning architectural details to your home. Let's transform your space without breaking the bank. First up, crown molding, the instant room elevator. Here are the steps. Measure your room, purchase pre-made molding for $1 to $3 per linear foot, cut pieces with a miter saw, attach to wall corners with finishing nails, and paint for a polished look. Pro tip, use a coping saw for inside corners for a perfect fit. Next, let's add some texture with wainscoting. Here's what you need to do. Measure and mark the wall height, usually 1/3 of the wall. Cut MDF boards to size, attach boards to the lower half of the walls, and paint or stain for a finished look. Budget hack, MDF is your wallet's best friend at just 50 cents to $2 per square foot. Create the illusion of paneled walls with picture frame molding. Follow these steps. Plan your design on paper, cut trim pieces to size, arrange in rectangular frames on walls, attach with adhesive and nails, and paint to match your wall color. Designer tip. This trick costs only $1 to $2 per linear foot but looks like $1 million. Let's dress up those light fixtures with ceiling medallions. First, choose a lightweight medallion, which will cost you between $20 and $50. Next, paint it to match your decor. Apply adhesive to the back of the medallion. Carefully attach it to the ceiling around your light fixture. And here's a styling secret. Go for contrast. A white medallion on a colored ceiling really pops. Add depth and texture with board and batten. Start by measuring and marking vertical board placement. Then, cut the boards to size. Attach the boards to the wall with nails. Add horizontal pieces for the batten effect. Finally, paint for a cohesive look. And here's a cost-saver tip. This high-end look costs just $1 to $3 per linear foot. Elevate your doors with some trim magic. Measure the door frame, cut trim pieces to fit, attach with finishing nails, and then caulk gaps and paint. Quick tip. This upgrade costs around $1 to $2 per linear foot. Create custom built-ins on a budget. Install inexpensive cabinets or shelving units, frame with molding on top and bottom, and paint to match walls for a seamless look. Budget bonus. You can create this custom look for under $100. Add rustic charm with faux ceiling beams. Cut wood or MDF into beam shapes, stain or paint for the desired finish, and attach to the ceiling in a grid pattern. Wallet-friendly tip. Each beam costs about $10 to $20. There you have it, 8 amazing ways to add architectural details on a budget. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below.